Welcome. In this video I will show you how to uninstall applications on Apple Watch Ultra 3. So first of all, you have to open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown, just located on the right side of your watch. Once you press it, you have to scroll through the applications list and find the application that you want to uninstall. Hold your finger down on this application and then tap the X icon in the top left corner of this application's icon. Let me do this one more time. So hold it down, then tap the X icon, then confirm by clicking delete app, and this way we just uninstalled application on the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.